What up, YouTube? I'm getting ready to put a bed cover on my 2024 GMC AT4 1500 Thunderstorm Gray with the Duramax. Going with a nice foldable hardtop tonneau cover. Stopped over here at Midwest Truck Accessories. Check back in with y'all when it's done.
A few moments later.
What up, though? We back. Went with the Access from LoMax. This is actually the Stance. It's looking pretty sweet. Definitely completes the truck. Just the first look and initial impressions. I think it just adds to the overall aesthetics of the truck. Makes it more aerodynamic. Should improve fuel economy a little bit. But so far, I'm feeling it the way it looked. I only had it installed maybe 10 minutes. It's pretty sweet though. Pretty sweet. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all after I had time to, give it a few days, see how I'm feeling it. Yep, so far so good.